So, yeah, there's not really much to do on night one, to be honest. I'm just going to sit here.
Hmm. I think I hear both of your keyboards. I don't know who's being evil.
I'm not typing. The keyboard is so loud, it sounds like two.
Nah.
Wow, Shadow, that's impressive.
See,
You
I've
still have
taken
keyboards out of control.
It's on my lap now, so you guys can't really hear it as much.
Oh. No.
Jane Crocker. Start by a serial.
Interesting.
Don't have any mafia kills yet, though.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
That must have been
Aw.
what Shadow spent all night typing.
Yeah.
Nope.
Hmm. Oh man.
Man, this is hard to choose who to do next. Jonathan Corwin
Maybe.
is acting
no.
to be blackmailed.
Wait, why are people voting for garlic bread?
Could there be two? I don't think so.
Technically you could.
It could be, but one person waited way too long to do it. Still typing a will, Shadow.
It's a very long will. There's only 140 characters on it.
That's very
Yeah.
impressive.
She typed over 150 characters now.
Nah.
Well, she might be deleting it, retyping it. So she's probably still a good person.
But I haven't heard like the hold down one key for like several seconds. Oh, you've got to be shitting me! Leave me alone! Oh.
Oh no!
People
Did
won't
Andy
leave.
die?
No, but I haven't been able to do anything all game.
Or blocked. Odd. There's been
No
no
mafia
mafia
kills, yeah.
deaths, and you haven't done anything all game.
I'm a witch! Yes! Woo! Okay, I'm sorry that you're dead, but at least that means I won't get controlled again.
Wait, you've
you
been
can't
being
control
controlled? I've been being
Um,
controlled as well. There's two.
No, this turn I got controlled. First night I didn't.
No, for both nights I've been controlled.
Oh, then there's two witches.
I don't know if I believe her. I don't know if I believe you. Well, Jonathan Corman claims to be Blackmail Night 1, Witch Night 2. You just said you got Controlled Night 2, so either you're Jonathan Corwin or you're a liar. I'm not the only one thinking this either.
Well, the thing is, Ken is apparently a leader among men, so we're about to hang the mayor.
Why did he reveal?
Wait. I think he's already revealed, hasn't he?
No, I don't think
Someone
so.
revealed night 1. No, Dunk the Baby is the mayor.
Dunk the Baby is the mayor. Yeah, so he is definitely Godfather.
Yeah.
So yeah, nice.
I'm transporter. I swapped with baby.
Um,
That's a convincing story.
why would he transport the mayor around there? Because the mayor had. Oh, he could have transported himself with the mayor.
Yeah, trying to protect the mayor. Or trying to get himself protected. I understand. I mean, he's got a fair argument.
Yeah, he could actually be true, to be honest. That being said,
Ken Barlow just said he transported him.
yeah, no. Well, he said that a couple of times.
Yeah. I
Like-
just realized it's the guy that we were hanging.
Right, yeah.
So we may have hung our transporter.
I actually think, yeah.
Yep.
The thing is, he's been trying to save the mayor by transporting him all this time,
Yeah.
and we just lynched him. Man, this is unfortunate.
Mayor was blackmailed. Hold on, I gotta go look at chat.
Okay, you are definitely evil.
Nope.
Medium?
Nope.
Who else could type so much at night?
Oh no, it's okay. She's evil.
I'm not evil.
She's probably a necessary evil, or a jailer.
Well, you're not typing in chat.
Hmm.
Jailor, you're Jailor.
Let's go with a necessary evil.
Hmm.
I'm not amused by you, witch. Shadow.
Well, I wasn't controlled for once.
I was.
Oh, there's...
Oh, that's the witch, I guess.
Oh.
Okay, so the Briskly was the one messing with me. I guess that one was the one messing with that did you.
Well, looking at these, I can figure out what you guys are. And I can't see.
Wait, who did the witch die to?
The witch
SK?
died to serial killer, yeah. So we've had like no mafia kills. Like
Yeah.
Don't worry, Godfather's dying tonight.
How so? Have you been gelling them each night?
I think so.
Nice.
I say keep gelling them.
Who do you?
Actually, that's a dick move though.
What are you
It's
gonna
like
That's
just
true.
just jailing them each night so that we can't.
do?
Because there's no mafia kills. I mean, it's a safe move.
Well, it looks like we got another BM. That being said, though, two people claimed to, well, another person claimed to be blackmailed at the start. So, wait, who else? Who was that claimed to be blackmailed? It was Ken Barlow. Oh, who is now dead. So there definitely is then two blackmails. Because why would he do that if he wasn't blackmailed?
Banana really wants you dead.
Oh yeah, I know, man.
Wait a minute, wait, what? Oh, Jonathan Corman? Banana voted for someone else that night, yesterday, didn't they?
The thing is, it doesn't make sense. The witch's will confirmed that I was controlled on a witch on night 2, and they still think I'm lying.
Oh, can you really believe a witch? Well, I guess I've never really understood if you're a bad roll, should you count everything in your will?
That was a little evil laugh there. I don't like that.
Interesting. So
I just realised something. If I was the, if I'm the vet and he
He was the doctor? You gotta be kidding me. So the Godfather seriously is AFK.
Wow.
That's really, really either clever or just say it. AFK God.
No,
There's a
wait.
member of the Mafia. No.
You gotta be
So the
kidding
Mafia
me.
just haven't been doing anything. Oh, man. Okay, so let's see this. We got... this is not going well.
Hold on. That was interesting. Jonathan Corwin, Vidge, Vet, or Mafioso. But Jonathan Corwin claimed to be something else.
Well, the thing is, Vidge, Vet, or Mafioso, it's very unlikely because I'm the Vidge, Charlie's the Jailor, and that means there's only a random town left. So they'd have to be the random town.
Wait, what?
Is SK? You might regret accusing me. There's a doctor. There's 2 protectives though, so it's more likely for him to actually be, doctor.
Yeah, I'm doctor.
See, I think I buy it. It could be possible.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's up to you. I mean, I could be lying to you guys in Skype.
Oh, is that you?
Mm-hmm. Well, more than likely, Mafia's going to vote against me. If they... Oh, no.
Yeah, there we go. So everyone thinks he's dog.
That's fortunate for me, isn't it?
Mm. I still don't know if I trust Corwin, though. Jonathan Corwin.
I'm in a sticky situation now. Fuck.
Things, it's only a matter of time. Now, how long until I save these, until I start using these flipping alerts? I don't think I'm on their list yet. Plus, the doc is pretty much just revealed, so it would make sense for them to go for me.
Yeah. Well, thankfully, there's someone that's being a jerk face right now. Uh-oh. I think we lost an investigator.
Nope. You lost me, though.
Oh, man.
Oh.
What are you?
I was Jailor.
She was pizza.
Oh. Yeah, that's not good.
I healed you first couple nights. You had that unfortunate number 1.
I didn't get to put in. Damn it.
Oh, okay.
Well, everyone knows I claim doctor. I mean... Oh, no, that'd be terrible. If you said you put me in jail.
Well, no, because they're, actually. Well. There was a Mafia kill, so.
Yeah. Right, so yeah, this... the thing is, nobody's really giving us any information. Like, we don't really have any... The spy died night 1. That's not good. When the investigator went down. And with all the Mafia still up and running. I'm surprised I haven't gone for the flipping mayor yet. It was a Mafia, wasn't it?
It was Mafia, yeah. just gotta think. Will Mafia try to keep Terra alive? No, they're not trying. I don't know.
Wait a minute. I just realised something. All this time I've been saying, I don't trust Jonathan Corwin. I don't trust Jonathan Corwin.
You're Jonathan Corwin.
I'm Jonathan Corwin.
I even knew that.
I thought
Yeah,
I must not have hit enter when I typed my name in or something.
Found this out earlier.
Oh wow, that's embarrassing.
Wow.
Oh man. All right. Well.
Not to insult anyone, but that's a complete blonde moment there. I don't even do it that bad.
Yeah. Well, it's a good thing I don't have hair, so you can't tell.
Hey, what?
And
Oh.
there goes the mayor.
It was the mayor, yeah. It's bound to happen sooner or later. This isn't good.
Hmm. Things we're losing most of our power classes now. Power people.
Yeah.
With the serial killer and all the mafia up and running, the town are doomed. There's 3 mafia and 1 serial killer and 2 town.
Hold on.
2 mafia, 3 town, 1 serial killer.
So it seems.
The serial killer's been doing really well.
Sarah Wilds is immune.
Hmm. We could hang anyway, just to see. Hang on. What has Sarah Wilds been saying much?
Hasn't really been talking. Well, our investigator's voting against Sarah.
We don't have an investigator there, do we?
Yes, we do.
Do we know? Huh.
Sarah's not coming up with defense.
Oh, really?
Seriously?
That's a wonderful defense.
Oh, hold on. What if Sarah was executioner? There could be an executioner, right?
Yeah,
There
2
can
witches.
be. When SK attacked her the first time.
No, you've got 2 witches. Can't be Exy.
Oh, you're right.
It's a
Okay.
witch, the neutral evil.
I was thinking. Oh, I was thinking executioner. Oh, come on now. People deny it. Argue. Call someone out.
Hmm.
It's all about telling lies. You gotta lie. I can give classes on lying if you want later. So you're vet. There's 1 mafia, 1 SK, and 3 town left. Shadow's dead.
Yeah. So we'll have to kind of wait and see.
Oh, time to take a gamble. You got any arming left?
Yeah, I got 1 left.
Ooh. I made the right judgment call. So
What
good.
did you do? Who did you protect?
Me.
Oh, you protected yourself and you were attacked. Oof. Okay. So it's not me, it's not you. Who do we think is the SK? Oh, apparently Brady is SK. So do we think Terra is the invest?
Oh. Well, me and you are good.
Mm.
Tara is investigator. Because I believe Tara's investigator, because Tara's the one that pointed out that person being a the first bad person we hung, right?
Savina wants to work with us. But Savina... Wait, what?
Zavina whispered Tara
Yeah, but why would he want to work? He's evil. We have to hang him anyway.
because they've lost anyways if we hung one bad person today.
Wait, yeah.
Do you still have your arm left? Rearm yourself?
No, I used it last night.
Hold on, but if Tara's bad. Already had Brady investigated.
Also, as a... Yeah, did you heal yourself?
Yep.
I was gonna say, that was really well timed.
Yeah. I mean, there was honestly like a 30% chance of me getting attacked, I think. 'Cause I think Mafia knew who his SK was, so they weren't going to attack them.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's probably closer to 25%, whoever the SK was going to attack. And I think it was already said that you're possibly vet. Yep. They know it's game over.
Well, I think that's pretty much it, really.
Yep. I'm gonna come visit you tonight. We're gonna have some good times. I'm gonna bandage you up.
Awesome. Sounds good.
Nice and tight. I was gonna do that whole Ferris Bueller spill about the nurse that shows up at the door. But I'll hold off on saying that.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, I don't trust that this isn't all some kind of elaborate double bluff.
It's very possible.
Hmm. So, 2 people visited me last night.
Are you kidding me? You lied?
Hey, the mafia would have shot me. Wait, the investigator! The investigator and the doctor both visited me.
I said I was going to visit you!
Why?
You could have just lost the game now, Andy.
Why would they both visit me? What?
I told you I was going to visit you, Andy!
Oh, this is awful.
You just lost the town the game! How?
Because I'm going to kill myself tonight. And I can't hang him.
Adventures don't kill himself.
Please tell me you have an alert.
No. It doesn't matter. I'm going to kill myself tonight.
No. Not
you
for
don't kill yourself.
Not for a vet. You don't kill yourself. Do you have an alert yet left?
Oh, this is so bad.
Andy. I went into a spill about wrapping you in bandages. You could have told me. Bollocks. Shadow, it's all your fault.
You know, I'm not even sad about losing. That was amazing.
It's just... No. Oh. It's... No. It can't go down like this. Oh.
Here's the chance. It's going to be about the bluffing and lies right now.
Mm.
Do you have an alert left is the question. Considering you lied to us, which is why I was so willing to go visit you.
Mm.
Why'd you lie to us? You said, no, I don't have any more left. So I was going to heal you since you didn't have any more left.
Mm.
I think you just wanted to kill me. But this is a.
Okay. Should I use it or should I not? Should I save it?
I don't know.
You shot me. I'm not going to tell you nothing.
If I use it now and he doesn't attack, things if I don't use it and he does attack, it's over. Otherwise,
It's
it just. The thing is, if I.
Okay,
I
what are the chances of a vet having 2 alerts
It's a
left at the end of
50-50.
the game?
It's
Three.
so
I'd
low.
use it. I'd use it.
2.
Yeah, I'm using
One.
it. Using it. He didn't visit me. He didn't visit.
Really?
No. So yeah,
Plan
GG.
safe.
Dead.
You can try and make it to a draw.
Mm.
If you're really clever, you'd be lying right now. Andy, please be really clever.
Look, it doesn't even matter. It doesn't matter how clever I am or not.
This is probably the strangest event I've ever seen, though.
Mm.
I should have went and healed the investigator and let you die. I could have saved an investigator.
Mm.
It's honestly my fault, Andy. It's not your fault. It's mine.
See, this is the most annoying thing. Just waiting for ages.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so annoying. You know what? I think, to be honest, I might take a quick AFK like after this one. So what I might do is just do that now whilst the game's concluding, and then come back in like a couple of minutes.
Have fun.
Cool.
Sounds
So yeah,
good.
so it'll give people a chance to get drinks. I'll mute my mic, but leave it on so you guys can chat with the stream and stuff.
All right.
So yeah. Oh hey, I just realised I'm at 101 viewers.
Heck yeah.
Awesome.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for coming. I think I need to do more Town of Salem streams then, really, don't I? Because I won't be able to get everybody in tonight. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm dead. Okay.
Yep.
So yeah, so that's the plan. We're gonna go off, take a quick AFK, and just come back in a couple of minutes. So go off, get drinks, and yeah, we'll be back in about 5 minutes.
Have fun.
That was an amazing ending.
I don't know how I feel about this. I almost want to be upset, but I can't get mad. He got me, is what I'm going to say. Andy, you got me, Andy. Because I was telling jokes about wrapping you up in bandages nice and tight. And you're like, hey, you still went on alert.